Hey there! Have you ever struggled with Capcut to save long video? No worries, we are here to help you. Open the Capcut app and let's choose the video. I am choosing this video. Its length is 15 minutes long. Before saving the video, make sure that you have completed all the editing. Capcut is really useful and is totally free with a lot of features like text. There is different styles, you can change the color of the text, there are effects, and there is also a lot of fonts. You can simply download it and use it. Next, there are a lot of stickers with different categories. You can add transition to make your videos more interesting. Okay, so now once the editing is done, tap here. You can make the resolution high in order to get ultra high definition, and you can make the code rate high to get better image quality. So in this short tutorial, we just simply edit our video and change its setting to get better image quality. And now the main step is to save the long video. So tap on the top right corner in order to save the video. Always remember, every great video you have ever watched begin with the first step. So why not take that step right now? Download Capcut, let your creativity flow, and embark on the journey that promises excitement, growth, and satisfaction of bringing your version to screens worldwide. Let's make it happen today. So now after downloading the video, you can directly share it on TikTok or any other social media platform. So this is it for today's video. I hope you like it. Give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more interesting tutorials. Bye!